Binignit, oy, binignit.
Not all bullets behave the same when they hit a target. A hollow point bullet has a small cavity at the tip. Limited strikes that
Ay, tama din. Oh,
to expand.
puasa ba? Puasa.
Metal spreads outward, forming a mushroom-like shape as it moves forward. This expansion transfers more energy and helps the bullet slow down instead of passing straight through. Not all
Salud.
bullets behave the same.
What's salud? Saludo? Bawal di magpakasala. Oh, bless you. Okay, okay. Hello, Ate Rain. Magbinignit na ta, Ate Rain.
Kung ikaw ay pagkabata ng 21, 22, 23, magagamit mo yun hanggang mag-gamit.
Guys, part me naman, guys. Thank you sa heart me, ala.
Sa technology naman, nagagamit mo hanggang 40 years old ka. Ibig sabihin, higit isang dekada mo pang posibleng magamit. Depende sa naging career choice mo. Let's say, for example, 22 years old ka rin.
Nabali yung manok, ay. Nabali na manok. Sige, sige, lain ng takala. Daghan kayo, ne? Kapoy na. Last na. Last one. Tulo kalubi ba? Hello, Emmy! How are you, Emmy? It's been a while, Emmy. Lias! I want some coconut. Yeah, coconut. Napa daw 5 kajawa na. I want some. Mini coconut. Sorry, boss, ala. Sorry, ala. Hagad man yun, huh? Yeah, making some, no, not dessert, but, food. I don't know what, it's called in English. But here in Philippines, we called it binignit. Yeah. Kuya Red, kumusta Kuya Red? Rice with coco. Yeah, like that. Rice with coco. Not just rice, but there is something like later. Oh, malapit ano? Sticky rice. Sweet stew. Oh. Ala said 8 weeks pa kaya Red, 8 weeks. Malayo pa. I mean, medyo malayo pa. If I go to I will let you do like this, Rook. I will put you on my substitute. making dessert. I don't know what it's called. Here it's not dessert. It's just like ano yun, Ala? Stew. Like sticky rice like that. Yeah. Like this, oh. Ah, my butt hurts. Like this one. Wait. I'll let you guys see what it look like. Manatay! Like this. Hello, heartbroken. It's not done yet. There's a banana. I don't know what it's called, guys. Sorry. Shit, I got restricted again, guys. What the hell? What the hell? Mine.